In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the tab name in Webflow step by step. This is the text that appears in the browser tab and also plays a huge role in SEO and how your site appears in search results. If you're building a professional website, customizing this correctly is extremely important. We'll go through the exact steps inside the Webflow designer, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly where to change it and how to save it properly. If you find this helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future Webflow tutorials. All right, let's jump right in. First, log into your Webflow account and open the site where you want to change the tab name. Make sure you're inside the Webflow designer and not just viewing the live published site. Once your project loads, you'll see the main design canvas in front of you. This is where all your pages and layouts are managed. Next, look at the left-hand sidebar inside the designer and click on the Pages panel. This is where all the pages of your website are listed, including static pages and dynamic CMS pages if you're using them. After opening the Pages panel, locate the specific page whose tab name you want to change. This could be your home page, an about page, a contact page, or any other page on your site. Once you find it, click on the small gear icon next to that page name. This gear icon opens the page settings, which is where Webflow lets you control SEO, metadata, and publishing options for that page. When the Page Settings panel opens, scroll down until you find the section labeled SEO Settings. This is a very important area because it controls how your page appears in search engines and in browser tabs. Under the SEO section, you'll see a field called Title Tag. This title tag is what determines the name shown in the browser tab and the main clickable headline in search engine results. Click into the title tag field and type in the new name you want to appear in the browser tab. You can customize this however you like, but it's best practice to keep it clear, descriptive, and relevant to the page content. You can also include your brand name if you want, especially for important pages like your homepage. Once you've typed in the new title tag, double-check it for spelling and clarity. After that, scroll back up or down until you find the Save button in the Page Settings panel. Click Save to apply the changes. This step is extremely important because if you close the panel without saving, your changes will not be applied. After saving, make sure to publish your site so the updated tab name appears on the live website. Click Publish, choose your domain, and publish the site. Once the publish process is complete, open your website in a new browser tab and refresh the page. You should now see the updated tab name displayed at the top of your browser. And that's it. You've successfully changed the tab name in Webflow using the correct SEO title tag settings. This simple change can make your site look more professional and improve its visibility in search results. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Webflow tips, tutorials, and step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.